again. Today's going to be a little shorter video, but definitely one that we need to do.
Yes. So we're putting a Charger neutral safety cover on our cars.
Yeah, we have one for the Charger, one for the Challenger, and it's really just like a theft deterrent system. It's not, I mean, if somebody wants to take it, at the end of the day,
they're gonna take it, yeah.
But the good thing is, like, it'll take longer in that process, especially with the different bolts that we have. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's a good add-on.
So here's a couple clips of, like, you know, people trying to steal them.
Yeah,
it's just like a lot easier.
How do you not notice that? He looks familiar. Fuck, bro.
I see, he just bust the whole window. He cut his hand, didn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he pulled the whole window out.
Oh,
so they must know how to pop the window.
Yeah, you see the blood on his car? On his hand?
Mm-hmm.
And look at these motherfuckers think they're slick with their flashes on now.
See what he doing? Oh, he fired the car up and turned the wheel straight.
He works for a car. He definitely does towing. He tows cars.
Yeah, he put it in neutral.
Oh, fuck! This motherfucker.
They pushed it.
Yeah, basically there's a neutral strap in there. You pull it, your car goes into neutral, and it just gets rolled away. People could drive behind it, push it, and then I don't know. I don't know what they do with it, you know.
Yeah.
Whatever.
So this is just an extra protection measure that we want to show y'all today.
So this guy, Destroyer 1320, if you look him up, he actually started creating these just as, like, you know, to help prevent cars from being taken, obviously. So this is what it looks like. The top side is painted. Tells you front. That's what it says on there. And I mean, it's a pretty straightforward install, so we'll go to get right to it.
Okay, so
in order to prevent our car from getting stolen like that, we have a deterrent, which is that piece that we were showing you. But in order to install it, you need a few things, like probably a plastic piece just so you don't break nothing.
The trim remover.
Yeah.
The screws.
The screws that they come with, as well as the screwdriver, because it doesn't come with the bit that you need.
Yeah.
And there's a few different options as far as like the bit goes. Like the heads, I think there's like a Torx, square. There's a few other ones, a 4. It's not just like a
whichever one they give you, then you get that tool, and so you'll need that tool, trim remover, and the piece. The piece itself, yeah.
Oh yeah, the piece itself that comes with it. But yeah, let's get installing. So I popped out this piece. You want to crack this piece open right here. There's like a few clips on the sides. Nothing crazy. And then you also want to get this wire right here. If y'all hear grunting, that's our daughter. Just bear with us.
She just woke up.
But anyway, so we took off, we undid this right here. As you can see, there's this little clip that you got to push, pull it out. T25 Torx right here. Oh, it has Loctite on it, so it was a little tight. We had just to unscrew it. And now there's a couple 8mm bolts right here that we got to get to, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I didn't put the 8mm bolts back in. You put in the ones that you get, and we have ours covered up because, you know, that would
defeat the purpose.
Defeat the purpose, right? But that's what it looks like after, so we're gonna throw everything back on and see what the finish is like.
Yeah.
So that's what it looks like after. We need to get like a sticker or something that says like "you tried" or something funny like that right here. But it's pretty clean, honestly. You really can't even tell.
You just pop the little rubber piece back in.
Boom.
And boop.
Now anytime. I mean, hopefully not, but you know, you never know. So, all right, so this is what we're looking at. As you can see, it's really clean and flush. I mean, you can't even tell that there's an extra part in there. And it, you know, really protects.
Yeah, this is the Challenger, so we're done with both of them. Put it in, you can't even tell. We're gonna have to get that stickers for both though. Haha, you tried or something.
Right, something funny like that. But you know, like we said, this video isn't long, just a quick short one. So
help you protect your car just like we're protecting ours.
yeah, we'll leave a link to Destroyer 1320's his website, also his channel, and he'll show you the step-by-step process of how to put this in a little more clearly than I think we did. But anyways, that's pretty much you know, leave a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll be back with some more pretty soon. We got a fire video coming up.
Yeah,
stay tuned. Yep.